Hey guys, so it's time here to unbox the Goophone i6. Pretty interesting name, I know, and it looks pretty interesting as well. I think it should be running Android, but who knows? As you can see, it looks pretty fresh. If you do recall how the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus boxes do look like, maybe you don't. But yeah, here we have it. So let's unbox it and see what we have inside of this. What could this be? Oh, oh my god. What is this? Oh my god. Looks so fresh. Oh my god. Yeah, baby. It's the Goophone. Get the white cable. That's nice. Ooh. This is interesting. Do we really get a charging cable that looks just like the Apple cable? Interesting stuff. Wow, that's pretty cool. It feels kind of nice as well. And this is some weird charger I won't be able to use. And of course, that one, pretty basic. Interesting. I can feel that the button is going down a lot down here. But this is the Goophone. Interesting. That's awesome. It's perfectly clean here on the back. So I definitely will take a closer look at this little device. See here if it starts up. Oh, ho, ho. It runs Android. That's nice. Nice. So it's up and running right now. So yeah, just a quick little unboxing here of the Goophone i6. I definitely will probably take a close look at it in future videos. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and definitely let me know if there's something specific you want to see with it, and I definitely will see what I can do. Have an awesome day.